What's up guys, Tao here. Today I'll be showing you something very interesting and fascinating. It involves a phone and something like this. Now this is a smartphone attachment. This is the micro lens attachment. I'm not sure what's the magnification rate or I don't even know the make of it, but I will try to link the URL down the description. I'm going to show you what I did and hopefully you guys find interesting as well. Maybe this will change the way you look at it while you're watching it. So yeah, so I'm not even sure that makes sense, but anyway, just keep watching. Okay, now I have the phone set up and then it's on the tripod. Very, very close to the TV. It's about 2 centimeters, I would say. Yeah, you probably say this is nothing special. It is very close to the TV. It's close up to the TV. Yes, it is. But watch this. If I zoom in, let's see what happens. There we go. Now you can actually see the pixels. So now this is the LED backlight TV. Yes, it is a 50 inches TV. It's 4K Ultra HD. It's backlight. You can actually see the individual LEDs. So the color is RGB, which is red, green, and blue. You can actually see individual LEDs. Now, if I change the picture and see what happens, you see that will change accordingly. So here is on something very black right now, but the nature of backlight LED or LCD, they can't really turn off individual LED completely. There's always a light. So the dark ones, the black ones, they turn down the brightness of the individual LEDs very, very low. So if it's really, really bright, for example, like this, let's say there's not white. I'm trying to find something white. Okay, here's white. It's on the center's beard. So you can see it turns on individual LEDs to the maximum. So you can see the green, red, and blue. So it's very bright. So that actually make it white. The black one, it just turn them down very, very low. So that's make it black. That's one of the downside of LEDs or backlight. You can't really turn off the individual LEDs completely. There's always some kind of light at the background. So hence it's backlight LED. Yeah, so to me it's very fascinating and interesting to see the individual LEDs changing colors. I hope you guys also find this interesting. Hopefully the demonstration was clear enough for you guys to see it. Let's just recap. The way the backlit LED works, the panel works, they are consisted of 3 prime colors, RGB, red, green, and blue. So the brightness of the individual LED changes and the whole picture will change as well. So when the color or the brightness of the 3 individual LEDs to the max, that will be very, very bright or it appear to be white when we actually see the TV or the monitor. When the individual LEDs to be very, very dim or to its lowest brightness, some panel is really, really low, so that will be appear to be very dark or black. So whatever in between the color changes, it depends on the content we are watching. And also on the LED panels, because individual LED cannot be switched off, so they are kind of a mixture of colors. So when the texture is really, really fine, like the demonstration I showed you, so you can always see a little bit other colors just on the edge. So that's why you actually see the sharpness of the individual text is not 100% clear. The reason being is because individual LEDs or the brightness cannot be switched off. On the other hand, there's another type of panel or technology is called OLED, which is organic light emitting diode. So the advantage of OLED, the individual LEDs or either red, green or blue can be switched off according to the overall image. So therefore that actually creates a very, very deep color or very, very sharp image. So for example, the black. So because individual LEDs can be switched off, so appear very, very black. and also when it's really bright or white, because the individual brightness of the individual LEDs can be very bright or very high nits. So that's the brightness. So appear the whole picture appears very vivid when we look at the TV. This actually another type of a panel, as I believe is Samsung claimed it. Correct me if I'm wrong, don't quote me on that. It's called quantum dot. According to Samsung, I believe what they claim is the overall brightness of individual LEDs can reach very high nits. Exact numbers, I'm not entirely sure. I think it's about 2000, so I could be wrong. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and find this video interesting and fascinating. Maybe you learned something you didn't know about. If that's the case, that'd be great. I was certainly fascinated about this thing. When I actually found this out, I said, wow, I need to make a video about this and share with you guys. So yeah, if you liked the video, please click on the like and share with others. And if you didn't like the video, you know what to do. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel for future video updates. So yeah, thank you again for watching. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe.